What to consider when buying land and building a home. First, identify a piece of land. Next, review the land title and agreements plus any legal documents. Verify ownership of the land with the land's office and a lawyer. 3. See if the land is developing or fit for your desired intentions. 4. The roads leading to the piece of land and the land's proximity to the nearest services such as hospitals. 5. Involve the land surveyor to ascertain boundaries and the nature of land. 6. Land's access to water and electricity. 7. What's the nature of its neighbourhood? After making payments and transfer of land, engage the architect. Conduct a site visit with the architect to start on the design process for your building.